welcome back to my channel. How's your day guys, and how are you doing? In today's video I'm going to do makeup tutorial on this makeup look right here, as you guys can see, which I have especially created for winter everyday. Not like everyday quick, but like everyday if you are going to meet friends or going somewhere except college, school and all that. This makeup look very simple and easy to do guys, and I haven't used heavy foundation, no lashes. I think it will look good for winter. I don't know guys, and if you guys want to see how I did my makeup look, this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Also guys, before jumping to the video, just to make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well. And you guys know I upload video every Wednesday and Saturday. You guys know what it is. So for the delay, let's get to the video now. So as you guys can see, my face is clean. I just washed my face. It's winter guys. Focus on your skincare routine. So that's why I'm going to use this moisturizer. So I'm going to use this moisturizer. Of course, moisturizer is very important for all skin type. One thing I'm liking about this moisturizer is this is fragrance free. It has no fragrance. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my sunscreen and I'm gonna take my foundation. You can take any of your foundation, but guys, let me tell you one thing. If you guys want more coverage, you can use full coverage foundation, but for me, I don't really want to cover my this beautiful scars. So that's why I'm using this medium coverage foundation. So that's fine for me. If you like to cover your face, then go for it. It's totally up to you what you prefer. So take any of your sunscreen. I'm going to use this Osea herbal sunscreen and this Maybelline Super Stay foundation in the shade 220 natural beige. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a little bit of sunscreen on my hand. So that's it. This foundation, 2 drops. Yeah, that's it. Basically, I'm going to make a tinted moisturizer. I don't understand this concept, to buy tinted moisturizer or tinted sunscreen. Why? You can make your own tinted moisturizer or tinted sunscreen, whatever, and mix this together nicely. So as you guys can see it. So I'm going to apply this all over my face like this. Like all over my face, I think I have made too much, but it's okay. I'm going to blend this with my hand. You don't need any brush or any beauty blender for this. So look at this guys, looks so natural. You can't even see and you can't even say that I'm wearing foundation. So I like to do this, especially in winter. Next, concealer. For the concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand Sable. So let me use. I'm going to use very less amount, just to just like this only, and here a little bit. That's it. And guys, I'm going to blend this concealer with this beauty blender. I think I'm going to blend this with my finger guys. Next step is optional. If you have dry skin or normal skin, you don't need to use compact. But if you are oily girls or combination girls, it's good to set your foundation, wherever you get oil. For me, I have oily skin. and I will sweat anyway, whether if it's winter or summer whatsoever. I will definitely sweat. So that's why I'm going to add this Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder, especially on my T-zone area, this, and like all over my this, you know, and a little bit on my this chin, and of course my nose. How can I forget my nose? And my forehead. Just to avoid creasing, I'm going to set my this area as well, and here. My lips are so dry. So as you guys can see, everything is set and nice. I'm going to bronze my face. For the bronzer, I'm using this Hola Benefit bronzer. And I'm taking this brush, guys. If you guys have watched my haul video, you guys know I bought it from Miniso. And this is quite nice brush, guys. If you are looking for affordable plus soft brush, go with this one. With this brush you can blend foundation, you can contour, you can bronze, you can blush, like all in one. Okay, if you guys haven't watched my previous haul video, you can go and watch that video. So I'm going to take just a little bit only, just to get, you know, definition and this warm face. Yeah, that's it. And just in forehead. So on my and it's winter. I gain weight anyway in winter. I don't know why. And to slim a little bit my this neck, I'm going to do here just like this, you know. So okay guys, next is blush. Why I'm going to use this Elegant Pro blush in the shade Just Natural. Don't forget to clean your brush, okay? I know it's winter, you might be lazy, cold, but whatever, but please make sure to clean your brush once or twice a week. It's depend how much you use your brush. This is very natural and soft blush. So I like this blush. I'm going to add a little bit more blush for this look, and this my tip of nose, just a little bit, you know. Okay guys, now I'm going to do my brows. For the brows, I like to keep very natural. I mean very natural. So I'm not going to use a gel, I'm not going to use pencil. Basically I'm going to use this Essence Make Me Brow eyebrow gel mascara plus filling fiber. This is so good if you are looking for affordable everyday brow product. I will definitely recommend this one. So guys, that's it. This product will give you very natural brows. I love it. So guys, that's it. I'm not going to clean or anything. I'm going to keep very natural soft brows. So that's it. I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Desert Dogs palette. Actually this palette. So guys, from this palette I'm going to take this soft peachy color called Eden. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to blend this color shade all over my crease. Basically all over my eyes. And next from this random palette, I'm going to pick these pinkies, and I'm just going to blend this shade. And I'm just going to take my finger and blend this out to just make natural. So yeah, that's it. And I'm going to color my lashes with this eye kohl. It looks so scary, guys. Today I'm not going to wear falsies, of course. For the mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara. This one. Oops. I always messed up with mascara, I don't know why. To take this previous shade, this pinkish, I'm going to run to my lower. That's it. Just the final brush run. So yeah, that's it. And I'm going to put mascara to my lower lashes. I like to add a little bit more blush. That's it. The highlighter, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. This highlighter is so good. You guys probably know. Whoa. To make more natural, I'm going to do this. My inner corner, just a little bit. My brow bone, guys. Yes, the highlighter is also done, guys. So now it's time for lipstick. Before applying lipstick, I'm going to apply this lip balm. For the lipstick, I'm going to use this Milani in the shade 74 Matte Darling. And I'm just going to apply very less. So yeah, that's it. And on top of this lipstick, I'm going to add this Essence Shine Wet Look Lip Gloss. And in this shade 08 Indie Romance. Guys, last but not least, makeup setting spray. If you want your makeup dewy, you can use dewy makeup setting spray, or if you like to use matte, you can go for the matte, and that's all up to you. I'm going to use this Essence Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray. So yeah guys, this is the final look. Looks very simple with makeup on. I hope you guys enjoy watching this makeup tutorial, and what do you guys think about this makeup look? Would you guys like to do or not? Let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you guys like this makeup look as well. If you do, then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay happy, guys. Bye bye. Love you all.